Hi everyone, I am Maya. Today we learn English. From awkward silence to endless conversation. Tom, introverted, awkward, relatable. Maya, extroverted, talkative, social butterfly.
Intro sequence.
Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Maya.
And I'm Mike. And honestly, I'm terrible at small talk.
That's exactly why we're covering this topic today. Tom actually ducked into the bathroom at a networking event last week.
It was 2 hours, Maya. 2 hours of standing there like, so, nice weather, right?
And that's why today we're breaking down exactly how to start conversations with anyone, keep them going, and actually enjoy small talk.
Even if you're an awkward introvert like me?
Especially if you're an awkward introvert like you. By the end of this episode, you'll have real conversation formulas that work every time.
And we're testing these today. Sarah's making me talk to strangers after this.
Oh, you have no idea. All right, let's dive in.
Act 1. The truth we're all avoiding. Okay, Sarah, real talk. Why is small talk so hard?
Because nobody teaches us. We think we're supposed to say something brilliant or funny, right?
Yes, I literally rehearse conversations in my head and then nothing comes out.
Here's the secret most people don't know. Small talk isn't about being interesting. It's about being interested. Wait, what?
Think about it. The best conversations you've ever had. Were you talking? Or was the other person talking?
Actually, they were talking. I was just asking questions.
Hi.
Never seen you around.
Yeah. It's nice.
Notice that? Mike ended the conversation. Here's a better way.
Yeah, actually. I usually go to the place down the street.
Oh, really? What made you try this one?
Oh, well, my friend recommended it. Said they have amazing cold brew.
Cold brew. You've got to try the vanilla oat milk one. Do you like coffee?
I'm actually more of a tea person, but
You see? I just used the Ford method, and Mike's talking naturally now.
wait, what's the Ford method?
Act 2. Mastering the Ford method. : Ford stands for family, occupation, recreation, dreams. These are your 4 go-to conversation topics that work with anyone.
That's actually really simple.
Let me break it down. F. Family. Not just do you have kids, it's bigger. Where are you from? Do you have siblings? Are you close with your family? Do you have pets? O. Occupation. What do you do? How did you get into that? What's the best part? What's challenging about it? R. Recreation. What do you do for fun? Any hobbies? Watched anything good lately? Travel anywhere cool? D. Dreams. This is the deep one. What are you working toward? Any exciting plans? If you could do anything, what would it be?
Okay, but how do I actually use this? I can't just interview people.
You're right. It needs to feel natural. Let me show you the flow. Watch how I move through this. So, Tom, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
No way! How'd you get into design? Did you study it, or were you just always creative?
Actually, I used to draw comics as a kid. Oh, you just did the family thing.
Yep. See how I connected occupation back to his childhood? That's the trick. You don't go forward in order. You flow between them naturally.
So it's like following the thread?
Each response comes with different directions. Your job is to pick one and follow it.
Okay, let me try with you. Maya, what do you do for fun?
I'm really into rock climbing lately.
Rock climbing? Okay. How did you get into that? Were you always adventurous?
Amazing! You linked their hobby to who they are. You're already getting the hang of this.
Act 3. The Conversation Killers. Okay, but what about when conversations just die? Like, I run out of things to say.
That's usually because of what I call the 3 conversation killers. Ready? Killer number 1. One-word answers. When someone asks you something, never just say yes or no. Always add context.
Did you have a good weekend? Yeah.
Dead. Now watch. Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah. I actually tried that new ramen place in downtown. The line was crazy, but totally worth it.
See? I just gave Mike 3 threads to pull. The restaurant, downtown, and food preferences.
Oh, so more details equals more threads.
Exactly. Killer number 2. Interrogation mode. Don't just rapid-fire questions. Share about yourself, too.
What do you do? Where are you from? Do you like it here? What are your hobbies?
Okay, Kai. This isn't an interrogation. Balance asking with sharing.
So like ask, share, share.
Perfect. What do you do? They answer. You say, that's cool. I work in design, so I totally get the creative process. Now they can ask you questions.
It's like conversation ping pong.
Yes, that's exactly it. Killer number 3, waiting to talk. This is the biggest one. Stop planning what you'll say next. Actually, listen.
I definitely do this.
Everyone does. But here's the fix. Active listening. Repeat back what they said in your next question.
I just got back from London.
London. What was the best part of Japan for you? See? I echoed London with emotion, then asked for details. Mike knows I'm actually listening.
That's so simple, but I never thought about it.
Act 4. The power moves. Okay, now we're moving into the next level techniques. These are what turns small talk into real connections.
I'm ready. Teach me your ways.
Power move number 1, the compliment question combo. Start with a genuine compliment, then ask about it. Hey, that jacket is awesome. Where'd you get it?
Oh, thanks. I actually got it in Tokyo.
And boom. Now we're talking about travel, shopping, style. One question opened everything.
So it's not just nice jacket. You ask a question about it.
Exactly. It can't be a dead-end compliment. Power move number 2, the shared experience. Find common ground fast. This is a game changer at parties or networking events. Just find something you both relate to. The long buffet line, the loud music, or even the weird weather.
So like, this line is insane, right?
Exactly. You instantly built a "we're in this together" feeling. People love that. Power move number 3, the future forward. End conversations by creating future plans.
Wait, like asking them out? That's scary.
Not flirting, just building connections. Like saying, we should get coffee sometime. Or, if you ever need graphic design recommendations, I've got you. Or even, I'd love to hear how that project goes.
Oh, so you're creating a reason to talk again.
Exactly. Otherwise, great conversations just disappear. Power move number 4, the graceful exit. Know when to end conversations smoothly.
Thank you. I never know how to leave.
Easy phrases. I don't want to take up all your time, but it was great talking to you. I should let you get back to something they mentioned, but this was fun. I'm going to grab another drink, but let's connect on LinkedIn.
Perfect. You exited gracefully and left a positive impression.
Perfect. You acknowledged them, complimented the conversation, and created a clean exit. Act 5, the challenge and wrap up.
That's perfectly okay. Remember, people don't pay as much attention to you as you fear. In fact, most are happy when someone takes the lead and starts talking.
That's perfectly okay. Remember, people don't pay as much attention to you as you fear. In fact, most are happy when someone takes the lead and starts talking.
Really?
Think about it. Whether it's a party, a networking event, or even a cafe, everyone is secretly hoping someone cool will start a conversation. You can be that person.
Okay, so what's my challenge?
This week, start 3 conversations with strangers. Use FORD. Report back.
Guys, I'm doing this. Hold me accountable in the comments.
And for everyone watching, your challenge is the same. Start 3 conversations this week.
One more thing. What if I mess up?
Then you laugh and say, "Sorry, I'm not usually this awkward." Vulnerability is actually attractive in conversations.
Okay, I can do this.
You absolutely can. Let's recap the key points.
Quick recap.
Ford method. Family, occupation, recreation, dreams. Avoid conversation killers. No one-word answers. Balance questions with sharing. Actually listen. Power moves. Compliment questions. Shared experiences. Future plans. Graceful exits. Remember, be interested, not interesting.
And if it feels awkward?
Everyone feels awkward sometimes. That's being human.
All right. If I can do this, literally anyone can do this.
Before you go, tell us in the comments, what's your biggest small talk problem? Mike and I check them all, and we'll send back custom tips.
And if this video helped you, hit that like button. It signals YouTube to show this to more people who need it.
Subscribe if you want more real English conversation tips. We post every day.
And follow me on Instagram to watch me embarrass myself trying these techniques.
Laughing. This is going to be good. All right, everyone. Get out there and start some conversations.
You got this.
See you next day.
Text on screen. Your challenge. Start 3 conversations this week. Video suggestions. How to remember names in English. Networking events. Complete survival guide. Body language secrets for better conversations.